Hey everybody, I know we're all stuck at home and it's unfortunate, but we don't have to have a miserable time. We can still have fun while we're stuck at home. Take it from me, Magic Matt, strapped on my light up cowboy hat. I got my rope here and I'm here to do a rope trick, and I'm even going to teach you how it's done. So it starts off with just a regular rope. I got my Warriors color rope. Go Warriors. Actually, the Warriors got saved, didn't they? They were doing miserably, and the season got canceled, so that's a big joke on everybody else. Okay, so enough about the Warriors, but yeah, this is a plain rope, as you can see. No knots. No knots, it's a straight rope. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rope and toss it so that a knot forms into it. I'm going to toss a knot into the rope, just with my hands. Okay, here we go. Okay, first try. If I pull the end of the rope, you'll see we've got a figure 8 knot. Can you see that? And then I'll show you how it's done. It's a pretty cool trick. I mean, like if you're hanging from a cliff, you know, and you have the end of the rope and you need to attach it onto something before you fall to your death, then you can fling it. If you don't have your other hand's holding onto the cliff, and then you got one hand, you can fling the rope and make a knot, and then you'll save yourself. So this is actually more than just a trick. It's, you know, for when we can go back out and you're doing some rock climbing. Here's a life-saving tip. Okay, so what you do is you hold the rope like so. You hold, we call this a bite. You grab a bite in the rope, and you hold the end of the rope. And with using your wrist, you're gonna flick the rope like this. And when you flick it, if you can see that, it forms a loop. It actually, it doubles. Yeah, there, the loop stayed in on this try. So that's perfect for a demonstration. Then now, when that loop is there, it'll be a very fleeting moment. You have to toss the end of the rope through the loop, and then you end up with the figure 8 knot. So now I'll show you in fast motion again. Show you how that's done. Form the loop and toss. And that's how you end up with the figure 8 knot. So everybody, we're going to be bringing you more and more tips and tricks from Blinky.com, Magic Matt. So check it out. We've got some great stuff you can have for fun at home. Light up toys. Check us out.